Now that we have our privacy policy and terms and conditions pages set up, we want to set up our opt-in page. To do that, we'll go to Sites, and up at the top, we'll go to Forms and Builder. We'll add form and start from scratch. The first thing that we'll do is name the form so that we know what form it is whenever it's filled out. And then, like the website, we have the option to add multiple different elements into this form by clicking and dragging it in. But for now, we'll just stick with the default form because that's really the only thing that we need for a basic opt-in page. Again, we can come back and alter this form or customize it later, but our main goal right now is getting the critical elements in place so that we can submit our A2P registration and keep moving forward. We can see that the default form has first name, last name, phone number, email, a consent box, and then links to a privacy policy and terms of service. Phone number and email are already required fields, and if we want to make first name and last name required, all we have to do is click on them and click required, and now you can see they're required fields for the form to be submitted. We can click on consent, and on the right-hand side, we can clean up or change any of the language that we want to in this consent. Typically, I'll remove the text help for assistance, but we need to keep the language that says I consent to receive SMS notifications, alerts, and occasional marketing communication from, and put in the name of your company. We can keep message frequency varies, message and data rates may apply, but then we also need to keep, you can reply stop to unsubscribe at any time. So this part is the opt-in, and the bottom part tells them how they can opt out. You need both of those for A2P registration to be complete. Then we'll want to click down on the links section, and on the right-hand side, we'll highlight privacy policy, click the three dots, and then click the link button, and we'll put the domain of our privacy policy page that we just made, and the same with the terms of service. It's important that the URL matches the path that we created and the domain that we connected. If you would like to customize this more now, you can. There's a slider over on the right where you can click to change the styles, any themes or additional options, or individually each of the fields. To change the wording or the color of the button, click on button and type in whatever text you want, like submit. And if you want to change the button color, you can click background and choose whatever color you like. Now that we've set up our opt-in form, we'll click Save, and now we'll build a page that will house the form.